Hello foodies! Welcome to Foodies in Andhra, your one and only place to share all your love for food. And this is Vijji Kondapalli bringing y'all an easy to make chocolate chip mug cake. Here are the ingredients. We'll be needing flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, butter, milk, and vanilla essence. We have everything ready. Into the process we go. Take a microwave safe bowl or a mug and add in 3 teaspoons of flour. Time to sweeten it up. Add in 3 teaspoons of sugar. 2, 3, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. In it goes. Add just a teeny tiny bit of salt to bring the sweetness out of the cake. Give the dry ingredients a good mix. And now for the wet ingredients. Butter, 2 teaspoons of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Give it a good mix to make sure there are no lumps and you have a smooth, even batter. Almost there. There you have it. Add in some chocolate chips or strawberries or anything of your desire. Into the microwave for 2 minutes. Let the cake cool down and top it off with ice cream, chocolate, and more chocolate. Yummy! And there you have it, an easy to make chocolate chip mug cake. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Foodies in Andhra. Thank you.